Hey guys, it's Rachel. So today I have a hair tutorial for you guys, and it is a super easy hairstyle, but a lot of you guys on Instagram were asking me how I get this look, so I decided to make this quick little video for you guys showing you how I get this hairstyle. I don't even really know what to call it. It's like pigtails with balls. Pigtail balls! So let's get started. So for this look, I do recommend starting with textured hair. So I have done my hair in my classic signature waves that I do with a straightener. So if you guys are interested to see how I get this starting look, I guess, I will put a link in the description bar of how I do my curls. I also have showed on Instagram, so it's just with a hair straightener. But this look does look better with textured hair. You can 100% do it with straight hair, but you're just going to get more volume if you have wavy hair to begin with. So all you need for this hairstyle is clear elastic bands. I bought these at Walgreens. They were about $3. I've also bought them on Amazon before. Somehow I always lose them, but they're just transparent elastic bands. If you find some that are the same color as your hair, those will work as well. But normally I only see the transparent ones or ones that are black. So I would recommend going with the transparent ones if you have blonde or brown hair or red hair. If you have any color hair that's not black. If you have black hair, the black ones are great. So the first step of this look is to do a part. Personally, I just go with my part that I do every day, which is a little bit off to the left. Actually line it up, generally speaking, with the arch of my eyebrow. Then you just want to take that part all the way behind the back of the head and make sure you have your hair separated in two distinct parts. You could of course do this with a comb, but I'm just doing it quickly, so I'm just going to use my finger to get the sections that I need. So just pick a side you want to start with. I'm going to start here with the left side, and then I actually put all the elastics on my thumb. That way I'm not constantly reaching for the box. I have it a little bit more accessible right on my hand. So I'm going to take the first elastic and make the first little ponytail right around the jawline. For these elastics, it depends on the size of the elastic, but these elastics you just do twice around to get a good hold. And then I just kind of pull at it to make a little bit more texture, but make sure it's good and secure. Then I take a little bit of hair from the front, a little sideburn hair, just to make the look a little bit more casual. So after you put in the first elastic, you can just go in and put in a second elastic. Now, when I do the style, I like to kind of decide beforehand how many I want to do. So this time I'm just going to do 3 elastics, one here, and one down here. It kind of depends on the length of your hair and the look that you're going for. But once you put in the elastic, you can just pull apart the hair just to make it a little more voluminous, a little more textured. And if you actually push up on the band, you're going to get more hair coming through for like a bigger, bulbier effect. So now I'm going to go in with the third elastic. Same thing. Just going to pop it in there and go ahead and texturize the same way. Really pulling apart the hair. That's how you're going to get the really thick effect, is really pulling on the hair. Especially if you have thinner hair, you're really not going to want to skimp on this part. So now I take the fourth elastic and we're just doing the same thing. But here at the bottom I definitely have less hair. Our hair tends to thin out towards the ends. And so I'm going to have to wrap the elastic more times to get it secure. So like 3 or 4 times. And you do need to do a little bit more texturizing on this one so it can match. So really just like exaggerate and pull it apart. Kind of just fluff the hair. And at this point you can see how it looks with the other, I don't know what to call them, poofs? Balls? And just zhuzh, 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 zhuzh. So that's one side, so I'm just going to go through quickly the other side so you can see the whole process. So here is the finished look. Honestly, I love this look. It's really fun. It's definitely like a little childish, but I kind of like that about it. It definitely has a lot of joy to it, in my opinion. So it's perfect for the summer. And last, this is an optional step, but I really like to add a kerchief, a little handkerchief to this look for the hair. So this is from Zara. I just loved the colors. And so what I do is I fold it in half this way into a triangle. And then what you want to do, it's kind of hard to show, is fold down from this top point. And that way you won't get any weird bits coming out. I don't know. So that way you can get a clean scarf line. So then I just pop it around my neck and come through in the front of the ponytails, pigtails I guess. And then I'm just going to tie it at the top. So it's tied once, and then I go ahead and do a double knot to keep it secure. And then I kind of zhuzh the hair around it, make sure everything is looking neat. Oh, and pull through my little sideburn, guys. Come here. There we go. And just pull out these little tendrils towards the front. And then you just want to hide these little tails of the scarf. I don't know what to call anything these days. You just want to tuck them underneath the band so they're not visible. Voila! So I just like that it adds a little punch of color to the pigtails. Definitely optional if you guys want to do the scarf, but I think it's really cute. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this hair tutorial. If there's other hair looks that you guys want to see, don't forget to leave a comment down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Mwah! Bye!